What a great day for a road trip, eh, what?
Let's do this!
The Ronald's ready.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Oh, man, cut the mouse in!
I can't think of a better way to check off more sites on my curiosity list.
What are we waiting for?
We start here and visit as many parks as we can.
Except for one thing, Nature Cat. We have to make sure we stop at every park and pick up a souvenir to prove that we were there.
And let's see how much nature energy we can collect along the way. Tally-ho! Who do you want to be on your road trip team? You can choose from 1 to 5 characters to play. Onward and trailward! Time to start our road trip! Spin that spinner! You can either tap on the center or swipe it.
Spin the spinner and your character will advance automatically. If there is a fork in the trail, choose the arrow that points in the direction you want to go.
Now spin away! Nature Cat! Onward and trailward! It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Welcome to Niagara Falls. Smallmouth bass can survive a trip over Horseshoe Falls, one of the 3 falls that make up Niagara Falls.
You only have a short time to tap on as many of them as you can. The more you tap, the more nature energy you earn. Earn enough nature energy and win a park souvenir. Melting glaciers and erosion formed the Niagara River and the falls more than 12,000 years ago. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Earn 100 points or more to win photos of the trip.
Onward and spinward! There's so much nature to see!
Uh-oh, baby. A baby duck imprints on you. You lose 10. If you're me, Hal, or Ronald, you lose another 10.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! Onward and trailward!
Bison crossing! Spin again.
Let's do this! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Nature Cat! There's so much nature to see!
You made it to Old Faithful, just in time to see it erupt. You earned 10.
It's my turn. Onward and trailward!
Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. There are more geysers in Yellowstone than anywhere else on Earth. At the heart of Yellowstone National Park is a very large active volcano. Its heat fuels the park's geysers and hot springs. Steamboat Geyser is one of Yellowstone's more than 500 geysers. It's the largest in the world. When it erupts, it can reach heights of more than 300 feet. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Onward and spinward! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! There's so much nature to see.
You're lost. Spin again.
Let's do this! Onward and trailward!
Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park. There are 22 species of bats that live in the Grand Canyon. Man, oh man, they fly fast. Can you spot them? You may spot the common chuckwalla basking on a boulder when hiking at the Grand Canyon. When it's scared, it wedges itself in small spaces between rocks by inflating its lungs with air. At its widest point, the Grand Canyon is 18 miles across. At its tallest, it is more than 1 mile deep.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Nature Cat! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. It's my turn. There's so much nature to see.
Welcome to the Great Salt Lake. This salty body of water is an important stop for millions of migrating birds every fall and spring. Wait, did I just say that?
As many as 500,000 Wilson's phalaropes use the Great Salt Lake as a resting place when they migrate. There are no fish in the Great Salt Lake. It's too salty. But you can find lots of tiny brine shrimp and brine flies. That's good eating for hungry migrating birds.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Onward and spinward! Onward and trailward! The mighty trail awaits! Tally-ho! I sure hope there's no water on this trail!
Uh-oh, voles have moved into Hal's doghouse. You lose 10!
Let's do this! There's so much nature to see!
Welcome to the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve. You'll probably hear a prairie chicken before you see one. They aren't so easy to find.
The secret of the prairie is underground. There you can find a thick network of roots that can stretch as deep as 14 feet. Deep, strong roots help keep the soil healthy and plants strong no matter what is happening on the surface. Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve is the largest stretch of tallgrass prairie left in the world. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Nature Cat! Onward and trailward!
No way, man. All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy. You lose 10.
It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Whoopsie, you forgot to make something for Aunt Reva's nature art show. You lose 15.
Onward and spinward! There's so much nature to see. The mighty trail awaits! Tally-ho! Onward and trailward!
Could it be? Yes! Yes! You found a piece of amber at the beach. Gorgeous. You earned 25.
Let's do this! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Pele's tears are beautiful bits of lava that have hardened. Don't they look like teardrops?
Look for the endangered Nene or Hawaiian goose at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. It's the official state bird of Hawaii. They are built for walking across the rough surface of lava plains. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is home to two of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Nature Cat! There's so much nature to see! Zounds! Lava River at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park? You have to turn back. You lose 10. It's my turn. Onward and trailward!
Time to round up some wildflowers. Ready, set, draw. You earn 25. If you're me, Daisy, the fastest draw in the West, or my buddy Nature Cat, you earn 10 more.
Onward and spinward! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail! Ooh, look at all the nature energy! Incredible!
Check out the photos from our trip! Ah, memories. What great pictures! You collected all the park souvenirs!